Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss ChatGPT writer generate email and message using ChatGPT AI. I have a request, if you are newer to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. First, open any browser. Click address bar, then type chatgptwriter.ai. Then visit this site. Click download free extension. Click add to Chrome. Then select add extension. Click extension icon. Then click pin icon. Now I will open the mail. Then open any mail. Click reply. Click ChatGPT writer icon. Here is the problem we will solve now. Open new tab. Click address bar, then type chat.openai.com. Log in this website. Click ChatGPT writer icon. Then click generate reply. I have a request, if you are newer to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe. Hope the video will be useful for you.